In this quick video, I will show you two simple ways to block websites on Google Chrome. The second method is completely free and lets you block unlimited websites. So make sure you don't miss any step and watch this quick video till the end. Now let's start with the first method. Open up Google Chrome and type block website extension for Chrome. Just go ahead and open up the first link. You will be landed on block websites extension page. Let's go ahead and add this extension to our Google Chrome browser. Yeah, we want to add it. Chrome started downloading the extension. The extension has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and accept the agreement. Here we got an option to add website to block list. For just verification, let's add only Facebook here. If you want to add more websites to block here, just go to add to block list. Let's go to website. Here we could pick up the website from the default list, and also if needed we could go ahead and type here our website that will comes up in the search results. Let's say I want to block TikTok as well. Now let's go ahead and try to open facebook.com and tiktok.com and see what happened. Here it's saying nice try. This site is blocked by block site. Let's see tiktok.com, and this is also blocked. This extension allows to block only 3 websites in the basic plan. To block more than 3 websites, we have to upgrade it to Pro version, and it's also offering few other additional features in the Pro plan. Now, if you want unlimited blocking without paying anything, let me show you the second method. And trust me, this one is the game changer. This extension is called LeechBlock NG. Let's go ahead and open it. And here we want to add it to Google Chrome. Yeah, we want to add this extension to Google Chrome. Okay, this free and open source extension has been added to our Google Chrome browser quickly. We want to go to LeechBlock options. We have a lot here to block, right? So this free and open source LeechBlock is a perfect extension. Okay, let's say we want to block Yahoo, and here www.yahoo.com and then yahoo.com. That's fine. We have entered both URL for yahoo.com. Want to block. We want to block it for all day, and we want to block it for every day. In the how to block section, you can customize what happens when a block site is open. Leave the default URL as it is. It shows a block page. You can choose a blank page, delay page, or even a password screen and a message like get back to work. If you want, you can also choose to auto close the tab or set a delay like 60 seconds before the site's open. Let's save this setting and try opening Yahoo in the next tab. And you can see here that LeechBlock has blocked yahoo.com for us perfectly. And that's how you block any website on Chrome using LeechBlock, that is open source, 100% free and unlimited. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and hit the subscribe button for more quick and powerful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.